Yes students, we are studying chapter 6 combustion and flame, in which we have discussed about combustible substances. Combustible substances are those which can be burnt in presence of air easily, like wood, coal, charcoal, kerosene we have discussed yesterday. Combustion, the process in which a substance is burnt, is called combustion. So it is a chemical process in which a substance is treated with oxygen to give heat and light. This is also we have discussed yesterday, and we have performed an activity to understand that air is necessary for burning of any substance or combustion. Now the next topic today is ignition temperature. The minimum temperature at which a substance catches fire and burns is called its ignition temperature. The temperature at which a substance catches fire is called its ignition temperature. The substances which have less ignition temperature can be burnt easily, and the substances which have high ignition temperature cannot be burnt easily. We can take an example of paper. If you burn a dry paper, it will be burnt easily, but if you try to burn a wetted paper, पानी में डुबो के अगर आप उसे जलाएंगे, then it cannot be burnt easily, because due to presence of water the ignition temperature of paper is increased, hence it cannot be burnt easily now. So a substance will not catch fire and burn if its temperature is lower than its ignition temperature. So it is must that the temperature which we are providing to the substance should be more than its ignition temperature. तो जो भी टेम्परेचर आप किसी सब्सटेंस को दे रहे हैं वो उसके ignition टेम्परेचर से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए, क्योंकि उससे कम होगा तो वो सब्सटेंस फायर कैच नहीं करेगा, जलेगा नहीं. डिफरेंट सब्सटेंसेस हैव डिफरेंट ignition टेम्परेचर्स. अलग अलग सब्सटेंसेस जो हैं उनके ignition टेम्परेचर भी अलग अलग होते हैं, है ना. जैसे पेट्रोल है, वो आसानी से आग पकड़ लेता है क्योंकि उसका ignition टेम्परेचर कम होता है, लेकिन वुड जो है वो आसानी से आग नहीं पकड़ती है क्योंकि उसका ignition टेम्परेचर हाई है ना. So example, the ignition temperature of kerosene is less than the ignition temperature of wood, as we have discussed about petrol and wood. The same example is here. Substances which have very low ignition temperature and can easily catch fire with the flame are called inflammable substances. Substances which have very low ignition temperature and can easily catch fire with the flame are called inflammable substances. Like example, पेट्रोल, अल्कोहल, एलपीजी, सीएनजी, ऑल दीज आर इनफ्लेमेबल सब्सटेंसेस. तो वो सब्सटेंस जिनका इग्निशन टेम्परेचर बहुत कम होता है वो आसानी से आग पकड़ लेते हैं. इस तरह के सब्सटेंसेस को आप बोलते हैं ज्वलनशील पदार्थ, इनफ्लेमेबल सब्सटेंसेस. नाउ कंडीशंस नेसेसरी फॉर combustion, we will discuss this in next video.